Click on Start Lab. Copy the username and open in Google Console. Copy password and paste it and click on Accept. Now click on I agree and continue. Then first this is the setup part. We have completed this. Then open BigQuery console, go to navigation menu and click on BigQuery. This is the navigation menu and we have to search BigQuery. This is the BigQuery. Click on BigQuery. And click on Done. First is Welcome to BigQuery and click on Done. We have to select Add Data. This is Add Data and the name is Explore Public Dataset. Come here and click on Add Data and click on Explore Public Dataset. Here we have to search bikes. Copy here and paste here. Click enter and we have to choose NYC city bike. Click on this and click on View Dataset. Return to BigQuery Qwiklabs project ID and here editor tab, copy this code and paste it here and click on Run. Yeah, got it. This is the output and next task is replace the previous query and copy this one and replace the previous query. Select this query, press Ctrl A and backspace and paste here, Ctrl V, then run. Yeah, this is our query result. Yeah, this is correct. And click on check my progress. Yeah, it's completed. Next is the clean training data sheet. We have to create a data sheet. First click on project of the 3 button right side of the screen. Okay, create data sheet and the name of data sheet is this one. Come here and click on this 3 button, create a data sheet and in data ID paste the name. Yeah, data ID, paste the name and data location and default table expression as per 1 day. Yeah, enable this and maximum number of table age is 1. Click 1 and the location is there is no need to location. we have to choose. Okay, cancel here and click on create datasheet. Click on create datasheet. The name of datasheet is this one. This one is our datasheet name. Copy this and paste it here and enable the table and enter 1. Yeah, and leave the data location and click on create datasheet button. Create datasheet. Okay, expand it. This is our datasheet. Now we have to create a table. First we compose a new query. Copy this and click on here is compose new query. Click on this and paste it here. Click on run. And select the save result and select BigQuery table. Here is the save result and click on this BigQuery table. This is the BigQuery table. Click on this and table name training data. Table name, paste here training data and select save. Click on save. Okay, this is done. Check my progress. Okay, then training the model code and paste in the editor. Click on compose new query and paste here. Click on run. Click on run. This is on running period. Now we have to check training a model. Okay, and now we have to complete this. Evaluate the time serial. Copy this. Compose new query. Paste here and click on run. Yeah, this is the result. 293. Yeah, this is the result. And check this progress. Yeah, it's done. Yeah, one more thing, make prediction using the model. Copy this and we have to run this in BigQuery. Compose new query, paste here, click on run. Yeah, this is our result and this is our last. Check my progress. Yeah, result is same. Click on check my progress. Yeah, this assignment is completed.